Pastor's teen son pleads guilty to taking his father's life in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The teenage son of a late preacher, Garnet Foster, who was murdered in Westmoreland, has been found guilty of the heinous killing. The name of the 17-year-old is being withheld, as under law he is considered a juvenile. According to the Office of Director of Public Prosecution, he pleaded guilty to murder in the Westmoreland Circuit Court yesterday. He is expected to be sentenced on August the 4th. On July 23rd of last year, 45-year-old Garnet Foster, who served as pastor of the Church of God of the Mountain Assembly, was murdered in his sleep at his home in Petersfield. According to police report, the teen told his uncle and grandmother, who lived next door, that he found his father's body in a pool of blood with a knife stuck in his neck. The relatives instantly rushed to Foster's room and found him covered in blood with stab wounds all over his body. Foster was quickly transported to the Salvamar Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.